Hi, so in this video I'm going to be running through how to get yourself up and going with the SweetHawk Triage app. Now when you first install the app, you'll see you've got your home screen here. The first thing you'll need to do is go into your settings screen and select the Zendesk View that you will be pulling tickets from in order to be able to triage. You'll notice that at the top right hand side of the screen here, you've got your triage icon. So this is where when you select the view, this is where your tickets will start to populate. So the most likely candidate for selecting as your views would be the Unassigned Tickets view. Since those tickets have not been triaged, you may want to start from there, but you can select any view as desired. Next step would be to create your actions that you'll be applying to your tickets. So by clicking onto your actions section here, I can click on create action and then I can give it a name. So I might say escalate to legal. And then I can apply my triage action as needed. So I'm going to set the assignee and I'll set the group to legal, like so. I might, if I wanted to, I could assign it to a specific person. I might set the priority here to normal. I might do various other things, all of which are possible. It's very similar to filling out a Zendesk macro, but there are some more actions that you can do on tickets than macros, like for example, adding CCs or setting the from email address like so, number fields, date fields that you can also do. So you can do a bunch of things with these actions, but once you're happy with all the actions that you're applying as part of this action, we click on create and now we can go over and test it out. So at the top right hand side, I can click on the app here. We'll be able to see that action to escalate to legal is now there as well. So we can kind of go through our tickets and choose to escalate to dev or legal. We can also click into each ticket to have a look at it before we actually take one of these steps on it. So if I wanted to do that, I can kind of apply that, and then you'll be able to see that the assignee on this ticket is automatically updated. It'll take a few seconds to take place. But once that has taken place, you'll be able to see that that changes here. And there we go. So it's been assigned to legal as per the action. So yeah, that is a quick rundown of how you can get started in using the Triage app. If you've got any questions, feel free to email us at support@sweethawk.com. Thanks for watching.